So I've been doing lots of videos about goals and inspirational quotes, and I've got another one from Jasta from the band Hatebreed. Even though we're practicing law of attraction, all positive stuff, sometimes you get profoundly simple things, even from angry song lyrics. And you know what? Let me know down below by leaving a comment if you like hearing these inspirational quotes. And then also tell me some quotes that you like so that I can turn around and share those quotes with the world. And so you help me, and then I'll help the world through you and through each other. And I think that's what it's all about, right? It's a cycle. Well, this quote from Jasta is from another one of Hatebreed's songs. He says, "If you don't live for something, you'll die for nothing." And I think that that's pretty good. And it took me getting really sick multiple times to really reprioritize my life and to figure out what it is that I'm living for. And it's God and it's family for me. And I don't mean to sound all crazy religious when I say God. I say source a lot, or inner being, or my highest self, or my best self. I'm metaphysically minded, not Christian minded or Judeo-Christian minded. Not that there's anything wrong with it. It's just not my path at the moment. And what do you live for? Because if you don't live for something, you'll die for nothing. And that could be a cause like curing cancer, or it could be like the Occupy Wall Street movement. Remember those people a few years ago? You know, and I actually, around that time, went down this spiral of conspiracy theories and watching every documentary I could get my hands on. And I had cause after cause after cause after purpose after mission. And what it did was it actually stressed me out so much that I think it helped to make me sick. And so while if you don't live for something, you'll die for nothing, I also think it's important to pick and choose your causes very carefully, because we've only got so much energy to go around, and there is a million different causes, and you don't have to participate in every single one. And you know what? You may have seen me for the very first time on YouTube while watching like an Abraham Hicks video. And I know that Abraham Hicks says that the world is not broken and that there is nothing to fix and that everything is perfect. And I love that, and I wish I believed that entirely. You know, I do think that the universe has a divine flow, and I do think that my individual actions are probably not going to do much to affect that flow, but through the ripple and the waves, I think is how it happens. And devoting ourselves to too many causes, at least for me personally, creates inner toxicity. But you got to live for something. So what is it? What are the things that get you going? What are the things that make you feel passionate and that you love talking about with other people? Do more of that. Live for that. Whether it's finding new bands and new music, or new books and authors, whether it's traveling and seeing new places and experiencing people and new cultures, if that's what you live for, then do that. Because if you don't live for something, you'll die for nothing, says Jasta. And I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.